Greg Bybee. I'm the Director of Marketing for Kioti Tractor. We're here today with the new K9 Factory Cab. It's a very similar machine to what we've been offering for the last 3 years in the K9. The main differences are that this one offers the full factory cab with heating and air conditioning. As you can see, it has a really nice fully featured cab. Has a full glass windshield. Opens almost a full 90 degrees. Like all K9s, the new factory cab version features a 24.5 horsepower Kioti diesel engine. It'll run about 30 to 33 miles an hour. We've also made some enhancements to the noise, vibration, harshness, so to reduce the noise within the cabin and make it a more pleasurable experience for the operator. The interior of this machine is very similar to the current K9. It also has a full headliner, automotive style headliner. It's got lots of storage. It also has ergonomic automotive style controls. Has an entertainment system in the form of Bluetooth player, CD player options. This one's going to be a little bit different mechanically than the K9. It has speed sensitive power steering as well as a revised CVT with engine braking capability. K9 has lots of ground clearance, it's got 10.5 inches. This particular machine has optional aluminum wheels with HD tires. It's got a very large dump bed with a factory spray and bed liner. This one has the optional electro-hydraulic bed lift. The cab model features LED working lights on the front and the rear. So the machine also has receivers on both the front and the rear. It's got full skid plate protection underneath, as well as CV guards on the front end. It's got adjustable coilover suspension. One of the things that we try to do at Kioti is have really ergonomic, easy to use designs. You'll notice in the interior, you've got a adjustable tilt steering wheel. You've got all of your four-wheel drive controls, your diff locked right there, easily reachable. We've got a lot of great feedback that this machine has tons of interior space relative to some of the competitors. Lots of leg room, headroom, and shoulder room. We do have places for 3 occupants in the machine. It's got 1,750 pounds of payload capacity, including the occupants, and it's got a towing capacity of 1,300 pounds. So this new machine will be available in the spring of 2022. We'd love to have you visit our website, Kioti.com, for more information, and visit your local dealer for updates and availability.
Hi, I'm Tim Phillips, National Sales Manager for Kioti Tractor. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about a couple of new product offerings for Kioti, our NS series of tractor. So we actually have a couple of different versions of this tractor. The ROPS version we actually introduced in 2021. This tractor is available in 3 horsepower ranges from 45 horsepower up to 58 horsepower. It also comes in a couple of different transmission configurations. First is the 12x12 synchronized shuttle transmission. And then we also have a twin pedal hydro version with 3 ranges. So a couple different transmission operations kind of based on usage, comfort level, and experience of the owner, and really a lot of personal preference depending on which one you actually like better. So we'll go over a couple of the features of the tractor. We'll start at the front with the loader. So this tractor is equipped with a KL5810 loader. Has a lift capacity of 2,600 pounds. Comes standard with a bucket level indicator as well as a quick attach. So it gives you the opportunity, comes standard with a bucket, but then gives you the opportunity to interchange that with other attachments such as maybe pallet forks, bale spear, a Kioti grapple that's really a popular front end feature now with a lot of owners for different types of applications, brush work, that type of thing. So those are really popular. Moving around to the rear of the tractor, some of the other features are the 3-point linkage, 3-point hitch I should say, that gives us the flexible draft links that makes hooking up attachments and implements really super easy. You don't have to try to wrestle around the heavy implement. You can slide that link out a little bit and makes it easy to attach that equipment. Also, we have a 3rd point lever on the rear of the tractor, so it allows you to actually raise and lower the 3-point from the rear of the tractor without having to kind of reach over the seat or get back on the tractor to raise and lower. So really convenient, especially when you're by yourself and you're trying to attach a 3-point implement. Some of the other features on the tractor include a tilt steering wheel. We actually have one standard hydraulic remote valve that comes with the tractor. It's equipped with an electric over hydraulic PTO. So a quick turn of the knob engages that independent PTO, makes that for very easy on and off application. Also has a really nice feature with the auto manual feature on the PTO. So if you put the PTO in the auto function, actually when you raise the implement in the air, the PTO will automatically shut off. So a really nice feature with maybe a PTO driven implement, that type of thing. So super nice feature to have on that tractor as well. We also have a cab version of this tractor. This is actually a product that is being shipped to dealers in 2022. We actually have this in also 3 different horsepower ranges, both with a 12 by 12 synchronized shuttle transmission, as well as the 3 range hydrostat. So a lot of varieties of the offering in the product line, 5 ROPS versions and 4 cab versions of this tractor. So really nice fit for a lot of barn farm or hobby farm, rural lifestyle type applications, especially when there's a lot of loader work involved with that lift capacity and the flexibility of those loaders. So really excited about the products. For more information, please visit your local Kioti Tractor dealer or visit us at www.kioti.com.
Hello, I'm Joel Hicks, Senior Product Development Manager for Kioti Tractor. I've got behind me here our RX 7320 Power Shuttle Cab. So I'd like to talk to you for a couple minutes about our RX Series products. We offer these in 66 and 73 engine horsepower. So that would be equivalent to 57 and 63 PTO horsepower. Very nice unit here. We offer 2 transmission configurations. We offer a 12 by 12 synchronized shuttle or 12 by 12 power shuttle. We also offer these units with standard ROPS or available with a HVAC air conditioned climate controlled cab, which is a nice feature for colder climates or hot environments, especially if you're doing a lot of hay work, a lot of loader work in the wintertime, those type of applications. This is actually a really nice addition to our product portfolio. It's front wheel assist, 4-cylinder, turbocharged, common rail direct injected engine. It does not use exhaust fluid. It does, however, utilize a particulate filter. This unit also, a couple of features that we like to tout about a little bit for the self-doers, the guys that like to do their own maintenance. Down the right hand side of the unit is set up for self-maintenance. So you have your oil filter, your fuel filter. Once the hood is raised, you have access to your air filter. All the quick checks, oil fluid, engine oil, and then as well as you go down the right hand side of the machine, your hydraulic filters, and then on the back side of the machine checking your hydraulic fluid. So it's really set up, quick walk around in the morning, you go to the right hand side, check your engine oil, check everything down the right hand side for maintenance, real quick and easy to maintain. This unit really good for hay applications, loader applications. We have our KL7320 loader applied to it, mechanical self-leveling loader, 82-inch wide bucket, comes standard with a universal quick attach, so it's very easy to change to your favorite attachment for the front of the loader, whether that be a bale spear, the bucket, a set of pallet forks, or your favorite grapple. Off the rear of the tractor, 2 external lift cylinders, a little less than 4,000 pound lift capacity, 24 inches aft of hitch, so it has more than adequate lift capacity for most needs around the farm. The loader lift capacity is a little over 3,300 pounds, so it's more than adequate to lift any size round bale, get in and out of feed lots, any type of application of that nature that requires you to move dirt or any type of materials. The units, once you move into the cab or on the ROPS, a nice open station, flat deck. You have all your creature comforts with suspension seat, suspended brake, and clutch pedals. They all come equipped with a loader joystick valve and standard with one remote valve. Cab units come standard with a front windshield wiper and also rear window defrost for the cold climates to help you be able to see out the back. You have a nice little quarter window in the back of the cab on those spring days or fall days where the climate is outside is really nice and you want some fresh air. It's really easy to open those quarter windows and get some fresh air in, or you can open the rear glass, or when it's cold or hot, you've got the heat or air conditioning. One of the neat features on the power shuttle units, obviously you have a electronic switch activated forward and reverse, so it's electric over hydraulic control, just simple toggle switch that you move forwards and backwards. But one of the really neat things is there's also a hand clutch button, so on your 4-speed, when you want to shift from first, second, third, or fourth, you don't have to depress the clutch pedal. You can just mash that hand clutch, make your shift and release, and it's a seamless, effortless type of movement. This unit also comes equipped with position and draft control. So you've got the ability to not only raise and lower or position your 3-point hitch, but if you're using some sort of ground engaging attachment like a small chisel plow, spring tooth tiller, moldboard plow, that type stuff, you've got the draft control to be able to set it up where you can make it operate at the precise control and the pull that you're looking for. Again, all these units come standard with front wheel assist. So this particular unit, electric over hydraulic control, so you simply toggle a button, it'll engage or disengage 4-wheel drive. The PTO is effortless, electric over hydraulic control, so you just have a push toggle, push rotary switch, pull it out, rotate it. When you need to turn the PTO off, you just bump the switch and it automatically cuts off. A couple other nice features come standard with rear differential lock. You do have differential braking, so you can keep the brakes locked, or you can use the differential braking. Another neat feature, if you keep the brakes locked, when you engage the brake pedal, it will automatically engage the 4-wheel drive to give you that additional braking capability. So if you're going across a pasture, you've got a big round bale on the front or something, and things get a little rough like they normally do on the farm, you don't have to push it in and out of 4-wheel drive. You can just touch the brake pedals when you've got them locked together, and you get that 4-wheel drive engagement just when you're applying the brakes to give you that extra grip, so that you don't slide right before you get to your gate to stop and get out, open the gate, those type things. Again, really nice operator station. You've got tilt steering wheel. You've got all your controls laid out nice and neat right around you. Nice layout around your hip area when you're seated in the seat, so that you don't have to reach a long ways and look for all your convenience and controls. Nice cab with wide opening doors, good grab handle so it's easy to get on and off of. The ROPS unit is set up the same way. Good accessibility to be able to get in and off the unit very quickly, for those applications where you need to get in and off the unit fairly often. It's really easy to get on and off of. Over here on the left-hand side of the machine, right next to where you get on and off, you've got a real good accessibility to the fuel tank. So you just pop the cap, fill her up, put the cap back on, and you're ready to go. Overall, this is a great machine for those farmers, people that have got a lot of land, and they just want to maintain their land. It's a good medium-sized utility machine that gives you the ability to pull some nice 6, 7, 8 foot applications for pickup style rotary cutters. You can get into some small back wing type applications on the PTO, and then you've got a good heavy machine that's fully outfitted with plenty of horsepower, plenty of traction, good weight distribution to be able to do lots of different type applications, whether it's loader, 3-point hitch, just general purpose applications. So feel free to come check us out. check out this unit or any of our other Kioti products, visit us at www.kioti.com or feel free to contact your local Kioti dealer and look at any of our products.
My name is Jason Berger. I'm the construction product line manager here at Kioti. I'm standing here next to the TL750 compact track loader. This is our newest line of equipment that we're showing here at the show. This unit here is actually a prototype. We've got a skid steer unit and a track loader unit running 74 horse. This lifts about 2,300 pounds, so it's a very popular size machine, medium frame size machine. Vertical lift arms, so you can dump into those high-sided trucks, high-sided hoppers, etc. And we're showing a lot of folks what we have to offer, so I thought we'd show you guys what we have to offer here as well. Standing in front of the cab, I like to start here with what our machine has to offer from a comfort perspective. As you can see, we have a roll-up door, so you can get in and out of the cab very easily. This has been a common comment from the customers. They're very excited that we have this style of door. They also comment on how wide the cab is. They're very excited about how wide this cab is. A lot of space in there, a lot of foot room as well. So a lot of great compliments. Joystick controls, they are ISO joysticks. And we have a monitor in the front that has a rear view camera that's integrated into the monitor. So you can see what's going on behind your machine when you're backing up. It also has service codes, notifications for service reminders, etc. So it's a very intuitive system. There's a lot going on in this cab, comfortable seat, a lot of good comments so far. Moving on to some of the features in the front here, you see a lot of steel. That was another compliment that we've been receiving from the customers here at the show. There's a lot of protection in steel that's built into the design of this machine, so there's a lot of robustness. Customers are very impressed with how rugged this machine looks with some of the features that we've designed into it. So a lot of ruggedness. As you move on to the side of the machine, not a lot of exposed hoses. There's a lot of routing that we did to limit the possibility of snags or getting a hose snagged when you're working around some materials that might get in to the undercarriage, tucked behind the arm as well. So we've done a great job with hose routing. As you move to the back of the machine, you'll see the same standard LED lights in the front as you do in the back. That's been another compliment, that we have front and rear standard LED lights along with standard 2-speed. So you make your way around the back, you get that great LED light again, but the serviceability is really what stands out in the back of the machine. So as you lift the rear hatch and you start to open up the tailgate, you take off a couple bolts and you can swing the radiator out, and we've got a lot of great access in the back for easy serviceability. A lot of the things that I've been talking about with people at the show are how we pulled a lot of the components to the back of the machine. They're easy to reach, they're easy to service. Even some of the common components you see underneath the machine, under the seat, under the cab, we've pulled those to the back as well. So very serviceable, very easy to get to all those common components. And that's another thing that customers have been happy with as well. So a lot of the customers have been asking questions about what kind of attachments, what's your auxiliary flow rates, etc. Because there's a lot of different things that these machines can do around the farm. These are really the Swiss Army knife, I guess, of equipment. And so we've talked a little bit about the flow rates. We're targeting for top of class with flow rates. So people have been very impressed with the attachment capabilities of this, with the hydraulic horsepower. They've been impressed. And so with the different types of jobs that they do, they've been very happy. We've talked about some of the testing that we've done on this machine in dairy farms, and talked about some of the testing that we've done that's gone over the ruggedness of the machine, how it's lasted. We've had one machine that's had 1,400 hours in a dairy farm. We've talked about all the struggles that the machines go through in those kind of applications, and it's held up very well. This is the great farm hand for you. For more information, check us out online at kioti.com and peruse the website, find your dealer, etc., and come check us out there.